wheels are in. The old man's been messaging me. Oh, look at them. How good. So I'll go pick them up, get a quick test fit, take them back, get tyres, everything fitted up. Right again, finally. So yeah, let's go get them. Legend, I've just got my wheels, finally. Brought them into the shop, thought we'd do a quick unboxing and test fit them out. And I've got my trusty little sidekick with me today. Say hello. Hello. All right, let's get these things out and I'll have a look, eh? So I ended up with a set of Kite hubs on XL rims. I actually thought they were going to be DID dirt start. I'm not complaining about that one bit. Come with the actual spaces here for the rear. There's the originals on the front. Thankfully I got some rear ones because the last ones were on the rear wheel and that's obviously non-existent anymore. Can we test fit them up? Yeah, we'll get that off too. All right, let's go. You want a birdie?
Yeah.
You gonna pull it off? Yeah. Righto. Righto. Pull it off. Where are you gonna put that? Oh, he's upside down. There you go. Alright, so test fit's all done, everything's lined up well. We've used the Kite spaces for the rear and then just the original spaces at the front as recommended. Now I'll rip them off, take them up the hinterland, get everything fitted up. What do you reckon, Missy? Play with the wheel. Righto legend, day's finally here, wheels are fitted, I've just got them back, the old man dropped them off for me, and have a look at this. Brand new Pirelli Scorpions, rotors fitted up, original front rotor. I didn't obviously have the rear rotor or sprocket, so that's freshy. Ballards, sprocket, Pirelli Scorpion rear tyre. Mate, these things look unreal. Now let's get them on that thing. Let's go, I'm excited for this, I'm hanging for a ride. Public holiday Friday here on the Gold Coast, I'm going for a ride. I'm gonna go hit Kieran Pet. It's been a while since I've hit some jumps, so, but yeah, make sure I've still got it. Anyway, let's get this thing fitted up. Let's go. Bike's done. Looks so good. Oh, it's good to see this thing back together. Kite hubs, XL rims, MTX rotor, Ballard sprocket, original rotor on the front, Pirelli tyres. Unreal. I can't wait to go and rip this thing Friday. We've got a public holiday on Friday, so I'm heading out. I'll throw the GoPro on and get back into it. It looks a bit different since last time I rode it, so should be good. Hanging for that. I don't know if anyone remembers the story. I saw that in the last video, but my rear wheel was actually in a shed fire, and it was 2 weeks before it was supposed to go riding that day. Obviously the wheel was melted to the ground by the time we ordered it, a couple of weeks. I think it was about 3 weeks to get the wheels and went back into it. So 5 weeks off the bike, I'm hanging, mate. Hanging to get back on it. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Let me know what you think. See you on the next one.